Onions are very important in Bangladeshi cuisine. The vegetable is a staple in the country's cooking. However, many people are finding it difficult to buy onions. There is a shortage of them, which means prices have rocketed. Many Bangladeshis simply cannot afford to buy onions. Bangladesh traditionally imports onions from its neighbor India. Recent heavy monsoon rains in India damaged a lot of India's onion harvest. This has made India ban exports to Bangladesh. The price of 1 kilogram of onions in Bangladeshi markets has risen from 36 cents to around $3.25. This is nearly a tenfold increase. Bangladesh's opposition party has called for nationwide protests over the record prices. The onion crisis is so serious that even the Prime Minister has stopped using it in her cooking. Sheikh Hasina Wajid said she is using onion alternatives in her dishes. A limited number of onions are on sale in several Dhaka markets at twice their usual price. Hundreds of people queue for hours to buy just 1 kilo. A 41-year-old English teacher said, "Even if I have to stand another 2 hours, I will do that. I can save some money. I have never seen onion prices this high." A Dhaka resident said a lot of people in her neighborhood have stopped eating onions. She said, "It has been 15 days since I bought 1 kilo of onion." Many street food sellers can no longer make their onion-based snacks.